ka na, kuya. Dapat nagbablog ka na. Picture kayo dun.
Ito yung sanctuary ni Padre Pio, yung nakahiga siya. Ito yung picture. This is the piece of cloth stained with Padre Pio's blood. 2006. Love offering. An outermost liturgical vestment.